I'm excited for this. So this is my first time building a PC.
Try it.
So this is my case. It is really big, but I'm just gonna put it on the bottom. This is big. How do I get this out? It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. Okay, fine. Just go on the bed. Go on the bed. Okay. Okay. That part was done. It turned. Look at how pretty this is. Should I open this? Okay. Just getting rid of the tape. Getting rid of the tape. I really want to get this instruction out, but for some reason I can't really open this thing. But it's okay. It's my first time. It's my first time. It's okay. Oh. Yes! I got it. Okay. This is what I'm using. Yes. I see the antennas for Wi-Fi's. Mr. Motherboard. Here. It's really cute. This is my CPU. I need to match the triangle. Okay, first thing first. I want to lift the lever. How do I remove this thing? Oh, okay. Okay. I can... Okay, there we go. Remove the cover. What kind of games are you gonna be playing on it? Any kind of games, anytime. Okay, I'm gonna open my CPU. Oh wow, dang, this thing is really heavy actually. Heavier than I thought. Okay. I am putting this. Okay. Oh, please. Don't cause anything wrong. Oh. I did it. Gently push it down. There we go. It's in, guys. It's in. RAM goes in here, the long side. Okay, I open the cover. And then I put this in. Which way is the right way though? Wrong way. This way is the right way. Get in, bro. Get in. Thank you, chat. Click. Oh, it clicked. What about this side? Will it click too? Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, one in. One more. Okay, click. Didn't really click, but it got in all the way. Okay, so far CPU and RAM done. 500 gigabytes. Do you see this thing? So like right here, it fits. I got it out. I got it. It's like this. Wait, chat. So there's a label thingy on the top of it. Do I peel this? Are you sure? Are you sure I don't need to peel this thing? Okay, I just peeled that thing. Oh. Actually, this heatsink thingy is really cold. It will do its job to cool off the heat. This is so cool. It's like extra cold. Cooler right here. Cooler. Spectrum fan. Oh, this is so dumb. Or like even with the pins. Maybe I don't need it. You know what? Maybe I can just click them and that's good. Thermal paste. Oh yes, let's go. Just go ahead and click this. Okay. Oh, there we go. It works. It works. Okay, get away. Easy peasy. Okay, that was from my motherboard, I'm pretty sure. Aha. The screw that I dropped, I can think about it later. I will focus on this one. Ah! Look at it. It's on. So the flow is in, out. This is my power supply. So the left one says SPK PLED. The right one says panel 1. Which one should I put it at? Time to open up my GPU. Really wrapped well. Look at that. I did it like this. I do it. Okay. Yo, this thing looks really cool. It looks really cool, guys. It's really cool. Hey, thank you so much for following. Why is the font upside down? Mr. Cable? Why are you there, Cable? Mr. Cable? Why does it look like that? Wait. No slit or anything, but the part that I'm putting this in has a slit. Guess what? There was a cover. Here, look at that. That thing was blocking the thing. Click. Let's just make them all white. That would be really cool. On count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, did I mess it up? Okay. And then yeah. The cable. Yeah, the noise was the cable back there getting hit by ow. My finger just got in there. Wow, that hurt so bad. Yes, the exhaust is working right. So I had to flip the fans because this company's cases come weird. So I had to flip the fans so that it sucks the air and exhausts out that way. No, the cable. There we go. No noise. Shouldn't BIOS run or something like that? Oh wait, it runs, guys. Spam F12. Cannot detect USB storage device. Later, I ended up figuring out that I can only install Windows installer file from Windows OS. So I had to switch my laptop to the Windows OS one and then install it. This is how it turned out, but there were some dents on the heat pipe on my graphic card, so I returned it and got a better one. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.